Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to unbox something awesome today, which is this one. So this is a Datsun Fairlady Z, and this is by Mini GT collaborated with Kaido House. So I am just dying to open this one. So it's been so long since I actually bought this, but I didn't get any chance to unbox this one properly. So let's do it right now. Okay, here is a closer look at the box. Okay, let's open it. This is the first Mini GT model for me. Okay, I didn't expect that. Okay, here it is. Wow, that looks really awesome. This is really amazing. It has good weight to it. And the detailings are pretty phenomenal. Okay, my only thing is the rear view mirrors here. It is actually, I think it is made of some kind of rubber, I guess. It is bending. So it is delicate. So you need to handle with care. So the wheels are actually made of rubber. The rims looks really amazing. So we can open this, open the hood here. Let me just try. Okay, I'm just going to take a minute. Let me just try with something and then I will come back. Okay guys, I finally found a way to open it. It is actually pretty easy, but I damaged my paint a little bit here. It's really sad, I was waiting to open this for a very long time, but in case I don't want anyone else to do the same mistake, so I'm just telling you how to do it. So if you are buying this specific model, just turn it upside down and take something and just insert it here and just push it. It will open. That's it. So here is the closer look of the engine details. This is a bit offset here. I don't know what is wrong, but I'm not expecting this to be in 1,800 rupees model. Let's do the roll test. Okay, it is not going fast or anything. It has rubber tires and it is pretty heavy, so you can't use this in track. It is just a display model. It has good interior detailing as well, but I don't know whether you can able to see this, guys. It's not easy to show it in a camera. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it will be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.